Hey there, welcome back to English Podcast Boost. I'm so glad you're here because today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful ways to become fluent in English faster with the shadowing technique. Let's start with a quick question. Have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, I understand the words, but I can't speak like that? You're not alone. Many learners can understand English quite well, but struggle to speak naturally. That's where shadowing comes in. It helps you train your mouth, ears, and brain to work together like a native speaker. So what exactly is shadowing? It's a simple practice where you listen to a short piece of English audio and repeat what you hear immediately, almost at the same time as the speaker. You don't wait. You copy the rhythm, the tone, and the way the words connect. Sounds interesting, right? Let's try a small example. Imagine you're listening to a podcast that says, I'm going to the store. You instantly repeat, I'm going to the store. Don't pause. Don't think too much. Just echo the sound. When you shadow, you're not only improving your pronunciation, but also your listening skills, your speed, and your confidence. It's like working out for your mouth and brain at the same time. Here's how you can start doing it at home. First, pick short, clear audio in English. Maybe a podcast episode, a YouTube video, or even a movie scene. Choose something that feels natural and not too fast. Second, listen to it once without repeating. Try to understand the meaning and rhythm. Then, listen again and start shadowing. Keep your focus on the sound, not on perfection. If you feel nervous at first, that's totally fine. Everyone feels strange hearing their own voice. But over time, you'll notice that your words begin to flow more smoothly. Want to know a secret? Even native speakers use shadowing when they learn other languages. It's that effective. Let me tell you a short story. One of my students, Sarah, used to hesitate while speaking. She knew the grammar and vocabulary, but she paused a lot. Then she started shadowing short English videos for 10 minutes every day. After just 3 weeks, her speech became faster and more natural. She told me it felt like her brain was finally thinking in English instead of translating. That's the magic of shadowing. It connects the sound and meaning directly in your mind so that English starts to flow naturally. You can make it fun too. Try shadowing your favorite movie scenes or songs. Pick a short clip, listen carefully, and then repeat. Match the rhythm, the emotion, and even the pauses. You'll feel like you're inside the movie. Let's do a short shadowing practice together right now. Listen to this line and repeat after me. I love learning English every single day. Now try again, but a little faster. I love learning English every single day. Great job! See how your brain starts to catch the rhythm naturally. If you do this for just 10 minutes every day, your English fluency will grow faster than you expect. Remember, the goal is not to sound perfect, but to sound natural. The more you shadow, the more confident and fluent you'll become. So here's your small challenge for today. After this episode, pick a short English video, maybe 30 seconds long, and shadow it 3 times. Notice how your voice starts to match the speaker. All right, my friend, that's all for today's episode. I hope you try the shadowing technique and see how powerful it can be for your fluency. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Every small step brings you closer to your English goals. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep shining and keep speaking English confidently.